Okay, we have first major construction error, which has gone unnoticed. Right, so this is the floor, and this is the driver box. It's called the air box. That won't pull across there. There's a 6 centimeter height difference between this line and that line, so to give a bowing curve. But here, I think I sort of was looking at this and going, when I was constructing, I was going, it sort of looks all right. Didn't pay enough attention. Right. So this here is about 8 millimeters out, and correspondingly, when putting this one in reasonably straight, that's also correspondingly about 8 millimeter that it's not going in. Right, so I've just double checked these buggers. This one is the one that's correctly 48.2, and this is supposed to be number what was it? It was number I can't see these unless I can actually get right down on the floor underneath. 27, it's supposed to be 16. I can see the number there. I didn't orientate these up the right way. I'm not able to cut the tape off either. Right, and likewise this one. This one here is 16, and it's 47.7 in length. The buckets are swapped. They're so close in length, 48.2 and 47.7, that I didn't damn well notice. And it does actually, if I orientate that straight, you can see that there is a angle down on this pipe here, because that is wrong. Yeah, this one and that one should be in a dead straight line, and I was wondering why it wasn't. And you can see, look, there's a gap there, or if I do it that way, you can see that there's a gap here, and they should be dead straight. How freaking annoying. Alright, so I've now got to dig in there and disassemble, get in and dig out the glue, the tape from there and there and there and there, and then swap those two round, and that should solve that problem. But this is precisely why we're not using epoxy resin on these, so that when these mistakes are spotted, you do actually have a chance of correcting them without completely destroying the entire thing. It can be a pain in the ass, but it's doable. All right, so get the scissors.